shop mostly green this time because I have a lot of blue. And look at that. Pang casual. Diba? Oh. May aatinan kaming wedding, so pipili ako ng damit na susuotin. Ay! Ito, look at that. Should I try this? Oh my goodness! Summer. So, kailangan, maaliwalas yung mga suot. Oh my God, nagkasya pa ba ito sa akin? Oh my God. Parang feeling ko ang sikip. Hopefully, magkasya. Oopsie. Pilitin ba? Yung mahirap lang yung pagsuot, I guess.